So I'm going to make the strap right here on the little bag. So I grabbed it here. I'm going to pull the yarn and start making this wonderful strap, which is very simple to do. We're just going to do single crochet here. Make a chain, make another chain, and go back into the previous chain with a slip stitch. And we're going to keep doing this the whole time, always making our strap with 2 chains, going back into the first chain we made, and making a slip stitch. Make 2 chains, go back into the first one we made, and make a slip stitch. And that's how we do it. We keep repeating this, as we call it in crochet, until we reach the desired length for our strap. If you want to make a small strap, you can do it. If you want to make a large strap, you can do it. If you want to make a little cord, you can make a little cord for a keychain too. The applications of this stitch here are countless. You can make straps in various shapes and sizes for different applications, different crochet pieces that you might make. So, since this tip here, this step-by-step is wonderful, I want you to go ahead and leave me a like, share this video on your social media to help me spread this wonderful art that is crochet. Also leave your comment here telling me if you like this tip, this super cool step-by-step that I shared with you today, here on the channel. And after making the entire length of the strap that I wanted for my bag, when I get to the end, I will finish by attaching it to the other end of the bag with a single crochet. And now I can finish off my yarn, attaching it with a slip stitch at the base of the bag, right here in this same spot as well. And for you who made it this far, I have a really cool gift. You can also watch the step-by-step tutorial for this wonderful bag. It's the Granny Square Crochet bag. This is a super simple, easy and quick bag to make, and it's also really practical because you can use it to carry your phone and wallet. And it also has a little pocket. This little square here forms a pocket where you can put your keys, put money, or just store things in general. Anything you want in this little pocket here on the outside, which is easier, right, more practical for us to use when we're out on the street. The step-by-step tutorial for this bag is already available here on the channel, so if you want to watch it, the link will be available for you here in the video description. Go there to watch it and remember to comment, like, and share.